Hey there! I am so excited to bring this makeup look to you. This is a very naturally done, quick makeup look using all of these fantastic products. Some of them you know very well, some of them are new even for me. And I'm really excited to share all of this with you. A lot of it is MAC, but stay with me. I'm going to take you through how to do this quickly. Alright, this is my completely bare face that I'm showing you after a very long time. Join me. This is this beautiful SkinCanvas balm from MAC that I tried recently, and I thought this is really nice. A very luxurious base for makeup as well. I use it even otherwise if I'm not putting makeup, and I have loved what this is doing to my face. You can see it'll bring on that little glow. It'll, it makes my skin feel really nice, and I think especially after a certain age, after 30, we need to moisturize our face really well, and I think I should have done a little more on my under eye as well, specific serum or something, but I was really happy with how I was nicely moisturized. And then I went in with this brush and this concealer from MAC. It is NC42. And I used a brush recently. I've started doing this because I had long nails. I couldn't use my fingertips. But ideally, you should use your fingertip to get the best result on this. It will be really makhan-like. It will be really smooth. The blending happens much better. I think I made a little mistake by not using, a little extra product to moisturize myself under the eye. So it was looking okay when I applied it. It looked totally fine, but I think with the brush it became a little more than what I would have liked. But other than that, I want you to know that this shade of concealer is beautiful for me, and when I normally apply this with my fingertip, it comes up really well. Very often I just apply this concealer and I just put some compact powder and I'm out of the house, and it does pretty well for me. And for some reason I was also putting this concealer not looking at the mirror. I was trying to look at the monitor that I was using to shoot, which I don't think I should have done, but nonetheless. And then this is a very important thing. I take that concealer, wipe off that extra sweat off the nose. I take that concealer and drag a big line in front of my face. Then with whatever is excess, I just highlight in the middle of my forehead. You can see that left side of my forehead is pretty brown. Center is looking brighter. So then what happens is it kind of evens out. Otherwise I feel just the under eyes, if it's looking all bright, it looks a little odd. And of course, using MACSTUDIO Fix fluid in NC42, using really little of it. I feel that if I use too much base product, it makes my face look very cakey, and I'm very scared of looking that. I'd rather go anywhere with a bare face than have cakey makeup. So this is my quick way of doing makeup. Even if I go to a wedding, I can quickly do this using very little at first. If you want, you can always build up later. If you like more coverage or anything like that, you can always do that. And then using this, I've used this brush forever. Real Techniques, it's lasted me really for ages. Now I just have fun in making that little drops of foundation spread across, because all I need is just a very thin layer of foundation just to kind of even out the whole thing. Very often I just put the Fix Plus also and it works. But yeah, when you want to do a full when you want to use a foundation, then you can see it's all coming in one, in one space now. The foundation, the concealer, I like the shade. It's a good match for me. You can see it's not looking very different on my neck, but still I applied it on my neck. Further down my neck, if you look at my chest area, yes, my chest area is a little fairer. But because I was wearing a white shirt, I didn't actually go down all the way because I didn't want to ruin my shirt. So I just applied it a little on the neck, very little actually, and on the ear is also very important. And today, for the first time actually, I love this Mineralize Skinfinish natural powder from MAC. This is in the shade medium. I'll add the right shade on screen. First time I used this to apply on my under eye setting powder as well. And I wasn't sure how it's going to be, but I wanted to use jitna minimum ho sake. Because otherwise MAC ke paas se I don't have a under eye setting powder either. I have a Studio Fix. Yeah, I love this brush again from Real Techniques. So what I did was I used a generous amount under my eye, and for the rest of the face I just use this big fluffy brush, face brush, and I just dab a little to mattify the whole face. Not too much. Can you see? I can actually walk out of the house fat 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 like this. And of course, eyebrow remains to be my single most important makeup item. So I just take care and do that well. This is a brown eyeliner from PAC that I've had since ages, and I have really loved it. I'm very happy that this product has not dried off. And then I just take a little smudging brush like this and smudge it off, because I was just trying to do a very, you know, like a soft eye. So I didn't use black. This is still a darkish brown. So you can see the difference on my right side. This is my left, this is my right. That's the difference. Very often I don't put anything on my lids as well. But today I just decided to quickly, and pencils are always very easy to use, and then the smudger brush, of course. So it's up to you. I try to not use too much on my lower line. And on my upper thing, on my upper eyelid also, I just kind of drag it a bit so that it doesn't have an abrupt stop on my eyelids. And this is this beautiful, beautiful blush that actually I don't think I had tried too much of. But I found it difficult to open it, first of all, because of these big nails I was wearing. And then when I applied it, it's a very light pink. And I was wondering how it's going to be on my face. Thoda dar ke I started putting कि it shouldn't look too pink or something like that. But actually the finish turned out so good. It blended out so well. I absolutely loved it. I loved how it was not sticking out separately. I like blushes to just blend in well. This is of course a mascara curler, which I always first play with for some reason. I think I spent some good 20-30 seconds just doing that cut before I hit it on my eye. And yeah, I curled it off, and I want to share with you this absolutely brilliant mascara from MAC. I think this is the best mascara I have ever used. This is a MAC stack. It's a waterproof mascara. They also have this in without waterproof variant. And for me, I have to use waterproof. And I think the effect of this mascara is so mind-blowing. It just lifts up the eye and doesn't make my eyelid feel heavy. Believe it or not, some mascaras I feel that make my eye feel droopy. If any of you feel that way, please let me know, because I think I'm the only weird one who feels like my eyelid is getting heavy with mascara. So ऐसा कोई और है तो please मुझे बताना. I'll feel like this company for me. So I find this mascara doesn't do that. I love how easily it spreads out. It stays for a really long time, and I just love that. And yeah, this is the Powder Kiss Slim Stick. This is a Slim Stick from MAC. This is a beautiful shade called Marrakeshmere. I'm not sure how this is pronounced, but this is a brick orange color. You will see suddenly my look from very natural looking will suddenly go to looking a little dressy, because it is a brighter color. And while I kept my makeup very natural, if I just add this much, I'm festive ready actually, you know, or I'm ready to go to a party or anything like that. So I love this entire look, which happens so quickly. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and please hit on the like button, because your love means the world to me. I want to know that you like this video, so I know if I can make this more or not. And this is before and after, and I would love to know from you. I want to do full face of makeup with different brands. So let me know which other brand you want me to feature. I would 100% like to do that. Yeah. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye.